Hey everyone, welcome back to MOTOTravel, the channel where it's all about motorbike, travel and adventure. Today I have another gear review for you. My new heated jacket from Keis, the Keis J501. Right after this. The Keis 501 is one of the latest generation carbon fiber supported heating elements. I have no idea what that is all about. The only thing I can say, this jacket is absolutely brilliant. The material of the jacket is this standard soft gel fabric what we are so used to. So you can wear the jacket on the inside and on the outside. The jacket feels really comfortable to wear. And the sizes fit perfectly, so thumbs up to the manufacturer. At least one manufacturer get his sizes right. If you wear the jacket just like that, without being on your motorbike and without being plugged in, you don't really feel a difference. However, in certain pockets you have the wiring for the heating elements, so that is a little bit something to get used to. For storage you have 3 pockets in this jacket. That's enough to put away your keys and your mobile phone. You have 2 pockets on either side and one on the chest. As you know, Keis offered all sorts of additional gear. You get a vest, you get trousers, you get insoles and you get gloves, and you find dedicated connection on the jacket. When it comes to heating elements, you have a heating element in either side of your chest, you have a heating element all the way down your back, and obviously in the jacket you have a heating element going all the way down the arm. What makes a massive difference when you consider the wind chill riding your bike. The included wiring loom is very easy to install. There's also different fuses included in the pack, so you can adjust the wiring to your power needs. And if you are not comfortable installing it yourself, just ask your motorbike mechanic to do so. Do I like this jacket? Absolutely. From now on, I don't want to be without it. It is warm as toast. It is super comfortable. And even if you don't plug it in, it's another layer of protection. One word of advice, make sure you buy the controller unit to go with it, because without that, the jacket is just too warm. I've been out last week on my motorbike and it was about 4 degrees Celsius and I had it on level 1 setting. That just shows how warm this jacket is. What I really like is the fact you also have a heating element in your collar, what makes it lovely and warm around your neck. So I absolutely recommend the jacket and I hope you like it as well. I bought that for my own money. That's not a sponsored video. I just give you my honest opinion about it. I never tried any other heated garment, so I can't really talk about this either. But for me, Keis, excellent choice. Until next time guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Ride safe.